Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And I have a question right away for you and see if you can answer that. Imagine you're talking to a customer and the customer says, "Oh, I cannot talk anymore. Can you please call me back after an hour?" So you say, "Sure, no problem." And you ask their number. And they say their number and the number starts with 0914. So do you know what prefix network that is? And if you don't, no worries. I will show you exactly how to find that in a matter of seconds. So if you log in on CouponBet, we're going to search for this answer right away. So just log in on CouponBet, and if you're logged in, you'll see this is the dashboard tab. So what we need to do is we need to go to the Tools tab. So we click here on the Tools, and once we click on the Tools, you can see all the tools that CouponBet has right now. So if we scroll all down to the bottom, we can see the provider prefix checker. And what we want to know is which network does the prefix 0914 has. So let's type that in here. We just type in 0914 and there you are. So you can see this is from Smart. So now you know exactly what phone number the customer has and you know exactly with which network phone you have to call them. This tool is really designed to help you and your travel agency to be more organized and to serve your customers better. And with this, you can find any answer. So if you like a tool like this, just go to couponbet.com and register right away for an account.